If you're thinking about making a big purchase soon, here are 7 reasons why an installment loan might be a good option. I'm Justine, and this is Let's Get Personal, Loans with Achieve. What is an installment loan? An installment loan is a simple way to borrow money. You get a fixed amount of money up front, then make equal payments called installments over time. Several kinds of loans work this way. So for instance, a personal loan is one kind of installment loan. If you're taking out a personal loan, you might receive the money by check or electronically in your bank account. You then make equal payments until the loan, including interest, is repaid. Whether you're looking to renovate your home or cover a financial emergency, an installment loan could be the key to unlocking the financial freedom you've been searching for. Advantages of installment loans. Quick funding. If you get started with a loan consultant and your application is approved, you could have funds sent in as few as 3 business days. Funding times vary. Flexible uses. You could use a personal loan for expenses like moving, major purchases, or medical bills. Pay for large purchases over time. If you have an emergency, expenses like car or home repairs, you may not have time to save the money to cover them. Fixed monthly payments. Unlike with a credit card, your monthly payment amount won't change over time, which could make budgeting easier. Predictable repayment term. If you make all your payments on time, your loan will be completely paid off on a fixed schedule. If you make extra payments, you could repay your loan faster and save money on interest over time. Build a credit history. Your on-time payments could help you improve or maintain your financial profile, even after the loan is repaid. Simple fees. Installment loans don't typically charge annual fees or other tricky fees like some credit cards do. Eager to learn more? Check out more debt-related tips on Achieve.com.